Welcome back to the Army of Youth. You still got options here, but we're not live. But now we're back, and I just made the template for you all. So now when we go to, where is the communication challenge? So we made these lessons, we have them in place, and now it's just a matter of entering data. So we're going to just do this first lesson here and open editor. And this is the template I made, but just to show you again how to add a template, I'm going to delete that. What we're going to do is we're going to go up here to sections, or you can click right here where it says add a new section. Go to my sections, and here's the Notion to Clickfunnels lesson template. So we're going to drag it, drop it right there. And this is where it's all at. So now what we're going to do, now that we have this up, is we'll take the communication, training for communication page on Notion, and so these are all the things we're going to be adding into this lesson out of section 1. Start here, introduction. So we're going to start with understand the remix strategy. So we're going to copy that, put that where the title should be, and then we're going to take this description. If there's a description, you can put it there. If not, I guess you don't have to. And then we have these buttons here. If there's an additional, well, we'll cross that bridge when we get there actually, but we don't have an additional resource, excuse me, for this one, so we'll just delete that button. And so we got that. Now understand the fundamental shift. So we're gonna call this, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's all good. We're gonna copy this, put it on the title, and then oh dear, what did I do? How did that happen? I need to get that page up again. Okay, we're back now. So, and then I'm just gonna take that as a description, and that's done. We don't need a button there, so we'll delete that one. The 4 levels of value by Russell Brunson. So we're gonna hold Control, click that, and see where this takes us. Okay, so we got a YouTube link here. We'll go ahead and copy that. I think that's it. Yeah, okay. So just copy the video. Oh, I've been forgetting about the videos this whole time. Okay. We'll start with this one. Please don't forget the videos. The 4 levels of value. Okay. This is a YouTube video, so we're going to do that. Paste the URL right there. We're going to video type YouTube, paste the URL right there. And that should be enough for the video. And then this is called the 4 levels of value. And then how are we going to transfer this over? The 4 levels of value comprehension quiz. That is interesting. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. We won't do this quite yet. Maybe we could like transfer this to like a Google form or a Google Doc. But for right now, we'll just skip over that.
Do you want to put a strip on it? So you know there's more to be done?
Yeah, I could do that. So if there's something, if you find something like this where you're not sure what to do, just put an asterisk next to it, or actually not there. What we'll do instead is save this, exit out, and then put an asterisk. Let me just move this over to go over and edit this lesson, and then go to the title and put an asterisk there, and then we can address that later.
How do you not think about it when you get these into the reminders?
And then
We know which
Yeah.
section
That-
that we need to work on.
I'm not sure.
that's a good question. I just thinking about that. So
I guess it's just
so that we know what exactly is the problem, we'll just put an asterisk there
Okay.
next to the part, the specific part as well.
Grandma mentality.
It's just good enough.
So you seen that video?
Yeah, but
Has she seen it?
Which one?
Do it now.
She has.
Huh?
Do it now.
I don't think she has.
It's a good video.
It's a great video. I like it too.
Okay, so that was the 4 levels of value. We don't have a description there, so we can just delete that.
That's why I haven't listened to it.
But we're gonna leave.
Yeah, we'll be using that.
You know that quack?
Yeah, we'll probably be using that, so we'll put an asterisk there too. Just more asterisks, the better. No, don't do that.
Oh no, subscribe to it. You know the big rocks?
We'll
Keep them
comprehension.
Yeah, that's the part we're not sure what to do with
Oh, okay.
yet. Okay, so then we have the 5 levels of leadership by John Maxwell. So let's copy that. Go over. We don't have. I guess we do have a description. We could put that there for now. And then so now we have something we can actually use this button for. So I'm gonna teach y'all gonna learn today how to use a button and how to put a link in there. So we're gonna go click this leadership level assessment thing. Whoops. We'll just grab this. I think we can just grab this link. Yeah. Grab this link. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now grab this link and then go to the button here, click it. Go to set action. And then you can delete that hashtag and just paste in the URL right there. And then also please make sure that it opens in a new tab. And then save that. And that's pretty much how buttons work when you want to link to something. So now we got the video sharpening your communication skills, part 1 and 2. So whoops. Part 1 by Craig Rochelle. We don't have a description, so we'll delete that. But we do have application questions. So we're going to click this link over here. Go ahead and copy the URL. Set action. Have it go to a website URL.
And they have a description on their leadership
Paste it
funnel,
there. New tab. They have a description on the leadership funnel?
and they might have it in their YouTube description.
What do you mean?
A description on Clickfunnels? Or a description for the video?
Oh,
They probably describe their own podcast.
yeah, they do, probably. That's a long description, though.
Okay. Just throwing out possibilities.
Yeah, that's a good thing to consider. that these resources might have their own descriptions. Well, anyway, there's that. Then we'll have sharpening your communication skills, part 2. What just happened? There we go. We'll just leave that like that for now. Actually, let's go ahead and try that. Open link. Go to the video itself. We can just take that first line. That's not too bad. Bam. So we'll go to part 2 also. Grab the description from the video. Different hats. Wow. I remember that video. Choosing the right hat to wear in different situations. That's some stuff. Okay. So now we'll go ahead and get those application questions. Copy that URL. Put it on the button. Just slap it in there. New tab. Save. And then we have read chapter 25 of Matthew. Specifically the parable of the 10 talents. So this one's not a video. So we're not going to need this video module. Oh, I haven't been linking the videos. Okay, we can get to that. So I can move this button over and I can clone that since we have, actually no. We don't have links to these. We actually don't have links to these. This is kind of like an assignment. So what I'm gonna do here is, what just happened? Oh, let me switch that over. So with Clickfunnels, a lot of things are, as you have seen, is just drag and drop. It's really nice. So we're gonna do read chapter. Okay. We'll make another row, 1 column row. And I'll just put this stuff in here. And delete that 2 column one. And we'll call it read chapter. Oh, I don't need to type that all out.
Reading assignment.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Reading assignment. Oh, the other thing went. Okay, so if you like delete the text from something, it'll probably just disappear. So
Does that affect the template?
no, it doesn't affect the template.
Okay.
That's good. That's a good question. So like if you I lost that like description text element. So the great thing about that is that you can just clone a different one. Just put it there, and then just paste things, just like that. And then read chapter. We'll take this. Read chapter 25 of Christ's Object Lessons, especially page 335, 346. Okay. So that's it. Oh, the videos.
Will everybody know where to get the Christ object lessons? Does that link over to it, or how do they get that?
We do not have a link here. What should we do? I mean, you could link to, like, That's a good question. We can put an asterisk there. If you don't know what to do. And then please also let us know that you've come across something like this. Okay, so I've been forgetting about the videos this whole time. But maybe we can do like batch all things on the left and then batch the videos. I don't know. I'm trying to like
Strategy right there.
the remix strategy. Okay. Yeah, we'll start with that.
Can't you left click and it'll give you the option to copy it?
Right click.
Copy link, it said.
I wouldn't do that with Notion
Oh, okay.
because it might just take me to
To Notion.
a Notion page. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that's Notion.
Oh, okay. Well, that was smart.
But that was a good question though.
Are they going to be able to get in there? Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. So then we'll just take the copy link and remix strategy. So this is not a YouTube, so we don't need to change that. Just do that. Just put the video embed right there.
Can we test to see if it worked somehow?
Yes, we'll test it after we get all the videos in.
Oh, okay. What if it's not working though?
And then we'll see, because I don't know. For me, it's a bit of a process going in and previewing everything,
Oh, okay.
just so I can come back out. So I'd rather just get them all done
Uh-huh.
at once, and then see what does and doesn't work.
Okay.
So we'll take the fundamental shift, copy that, and this is a YouTube video, so we'll do video type, YouTube, paste it right there in the YouTube URL,
Tina? Yes.
and then 4 Levels of Value by Russell Brunson. We'll go ahead and open that link,
Where are you meeting after Susie?
copy that. Oh, I must have done that. That's fine. And we'll go back here and then understand 4 levels of value. We got that. 5 levels of leadership. So then we're gonna do share, copy. Yes.
Isn't that copied already? That's how you got to the page?
That's true. You mean like just taking this? You could do that.
But I mean, because you are you just clicking on it and it's taking you over there? Or are you copying that link?
Oh yeah, right. I don't even need to go to the video. I can just copy this link. You're right. Thank you.
But doesn't clicking on this emblem copy it for you?
No.
Oh, okay.
So that's a YouTube video. Paste it in there. Then we've got sharpening your communication skills. So open that and then select it all, copy. That's a YouTube video, paste. Go, then we'll go back. Sharpening your communication skills, part 2. Select that all. And then YouTube, paste. And then we have the reading assignment. So that's pretty much what data entry from Clickfunnels to Notion to Clickfunnels is going to look like. It's a little bit different, and just because of the way Notion is. But now we're gonna test it and see if it worked and see what works and what didn't. Yes, we saved. Make sure you save. Don't forget to save. It'll let you know if you try to back out and you didn't save. But yeah, just don't forget to save. So we'll go to here where it says open in editor. Then we'll go up here to the top right where it says preview. Actually, wait. There's one more step. There is one more step. So let's go back.
You and I can work. You can be my assistant.
Okay. So with like in the last video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna figure out which section this is, like what number out of all of like the total amount of sections there are. So we're gonna count down. So this is 1, this is 2. These gray bars. Oh, whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So communication challenge is 8. So then we'll go to the editor and take note that it's section 8.
There's just so many people. So you can fill all of those just.
So here we have the communication challenge,
This would be
I think,
10, 20,
also right there.
50, 60, 70, 80.
And lunch is gonna start soon.
That you could just fill it.
So okay. You see the communication challenge here? We're gonna edit this image element. So we're gonna click on it. And then right over here where it says link URL, it says lesson 5-1. We want to change that 5 to an 8 because 8 is the section and 1 is the lesson. So we're just changing the 8 or the 5 to an 8.
Do all of them say 5?
Probably not. I mean, this one says 4-1. You can kind of see it's really small right there. That one says 4-1, but
Is that one complete though?
I don't think this one's complete though.
Oh, okay.
So this is like we're in the process because what we kind of did was we just copied and pasted most of these, or like made duplicates of most of these.
Oh, I see.
So that's why we need to change them
nervous the whole time.
as we go, because we don't we don't know which one time management training is going to be yet, or like
I see.
I mean I guess we could figure it out right now, but that's kind of like the 80-20.
Yeah.
So
we went number 8, right?
yeah.
Oh, so we have to go to each communication challenge in there and switch it to 8.
Yeah.
Okay.
If there's like for most of these there's just one, but communication challenge is a special case. So it's under here leadership development, communication challenge. This one says I would put my mouse over it, but it'll like block it, but it's basically that right there it says 5-1. So we want to change that to an 8. Then save. And now we can see if what we did worked. So this is how it is. We're going to show nav. Go up here to communication challenge. And bam, there it is. Okay.
Hey, that turned out good.
So most of these, yeah, that looks good. It looks like most of these are working, except this one. I'm not sure why a Loom video is not working, but we can fix that. If you run into a problem like that, you can just put an asterisk there and let us know. Let us know what the issue is in the group chat, and we'll get to it. But thank you for watching. I pray that this was helpful, and this is going to change some lives. So thank you.